Blakey,
Ang
you okay?
parang takot na yung baby. Ayoko ng ganito.
Hey,
Ayoko ng ganito.
do you want me to go open the door? Why? No? Okay.
Magkamukha sila nung mami niya,
Okay,
no?
I'm honestly freaking the out, and I don't know what to do. Just a couple minutes ago, I got up and I closed my door because she kept pointing to my room saying, "Mommy, mommy, someone's over there."
Oh my God.
And she was terrified. She was terrified. Of course, freaking me out. So I went over there and she just said, "No, mommy, come here, mommy, sit, mommy, don't go over there." And so I called the dog and I closed him up the door, and as you can see, dude, she's still terrified.
As an 18
For example, anak ko yan, matatakot ng ganyan. Tangin, nagugulping ko yung multo. Wala akong baka lang kahit multo siya. Tapos tatakutin mo yung baby ko.